Alright, hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to take the Facebook pixel, put it on your website so that you can retarget the highest quality traffic that you have online, which is people that are already visiting your website. So you're going to want to start the process inside your Facebook Ads Manager. Then up in the top left-hand corner, you're either going to see three lines up here or these boxes. You're going to click on there. And what you're looking for here is the Events Manager. You're going to click on Events Manager. And again, some dashboards look a little bit different, but what you're looking for is the Events Manager option. Now, once you're in there, you're going to see pixels if you already have some set up. If not, it's going to ask you to set your pixel up for the first time. Just go ahead and follow the prompts until it gets you to this screen. Now, if you already see this screen and you already have a pixel, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add Event down here in the bottom left-hand corner. It's going to say choose how you want to install your pixel code. What we're going to do is manually add pixel code to the website. You're going to click on that blue button that says Install Pixel Code, and then copy the base pixel code right there. Now, once you've copied this code, this little snippet of code goes into the header section of your website. So you can install this on pretty much any templated website that you have out there by going to the builder and installing it. So what I'm going to show you how to do is how to build it inside one of the surveys in our CRM product. It's called Connect My Leads, and what it does is it allows you to not only generate leads through either a website or a survey or integration with Facebook Messenger, and then it sends automatic follow-up with ringless voicemails and text messages and emails. But the process that I'm going to show you here is the same for whether you're installing it on, it doesn't really matter, WordPress, whatever. So you go ahead and you copy that code, and then you go over to whatever the builder is that you're using. So in here you can see that we have a funnel set up to book appointments with people. We're going to click on Edit Page. This is going to open up the builder page, and then again, regardless of where you are, whether it's WordPress or whatever, you're going to have a little settings section. You're going to click on settings, and then there's going to be tracking codes, or they may just call this SEO data or website data. You're going to click on tracking code if you have it, and you can see here the header code, which is ultimately what you're looking for. That's where you're going to install your pixel. So you're just going to click paste. It takes that pixel code with your pixel in there and installs it in there. You click on yes, save. So now what you've done is you've taken your pixel and you've installed it in your survey or in your website. So now anytime anybody goes to this page, Facebook is going to see that person has been there, and then when they log back into Facebook, you have the ability to now show a custom ad to that person. So that's the setup on how to install your pixel, and we'll follow up with another video that shows you how to actually run the advertisement to target those people.